Simple ways to add and edit text in Photoshop. First, let's select the horizontal type tool from the Tools palette. You can easily find it by locating the type icon and clicking on it. Next, click and drag to create a text frame. Release your mouse when the frame is the desired size. This will serve as the container for your text. Choosing font and font size. Now use the Tool Options palette or the Character palette to select your desired font and font size. Take your time to find the perfect combination for your project. Type your text directly into the text frame. Feel free to get creative and experiment with different texts and styles. Moving the text box. Select the Move tool to deactivate the Type tool. You can now move your text box to the desired location on your document. This will allow for better positioning and layout. If you need to edit your text, simply follow these steps. Click on the text in the document and highlight it. Type or use the Tool Options palette or Character palette to make the necessary edits. To edit the type frame itself, follow these easy steps. Select the type layer you wish to edit from the Layers palette. Activate the Type tool from the Tools palette. Click on the text in the document to activate the type frame. Move your cursor to a corner handle of the frame until you see a double-sided arrow. Click and drag the frame to the desired size. Before we finish, we would like to hear from you. If there are any specific topics or tutorials you would like us to cover in our future videos, please let us know in the comments section below.